how to hide numbers in a WhatsApp community. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Communities in the middle. Now, go to Announcements. Only community admins can send announcements to all the members at once over here. Now tap on the community name at the top. You can view and edit the community information right here. You can also manage the community settings. Now, scroll down and go to Phone Number Privacy. Your phone number is visible in this chat as you are a community admin, so you cannot hide your number. All members can see your number. Tap on OK. Following these steps, you can hide numbers in a WhatsApp community.